There's been a new option added in Profile software to set the number of reliefs. So initially we enter the number of reliefs to 2, set the radial and axial angle along with the line width required, and then once we go and change this to a more number of reliefs, say for example 8, then the delta between relief 1 and 2 will be used to expand to other relief angles and line width is copied. So the delta 3 degrees in the radial relief and half a degree in the axial relief is copied across all the way down to the number of reliefs what we have added, and it's actually given us a good profile tool with 8 reliefs where you didn't have to enter individually each relief angle for each radial and axial reliefs. This has been sent an update to RN34.1 market release.